All right. Oh, shit. Another cup. Ooh. I'll be back. All right. That's a bit better. Got a cup. All right. So, oh, shit, I didn't see you there. Okay. So, welcome to another Untitled review. Today we're going to be reviewing a beverage, Ginger Joe. Now, I'm led to believe that Ginger Joe is an alcoholic take on ginger beer. It is brewed naturally. We can see it is made by Stones. Let's see. It is 1740, established in London. To enjoy ginger, tipple merely topple over ice and relish the tang and tingle. All right, we're not going to be doing anything like that. So it's made by Stones, refreshingly feisty, sparkling Ginger Joe, brewed naturally, 8% alcohol. That's what we want to know here. Embossed on the end of the bottle, some numbers, no refill, cool. The roots of Ginger Joe, ginger revolt. Look, there's a lot of wanky words here. No pregnant women allowed. That's cool. We won't be having any of them around. 3.2 standard drinks, so this is already not looking too good, but we do have the barcode. You guys know I'm a big barcode fan. All right, let's do this thing. All right. What the hell? What's wrong with this lid? All right, that's a bit better. All right, so we had a good escape of gas there. You can see, yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Okay. Okay, it smells like a cheap, shitty alcoholic ginger beer. I don't know what to say. All right. All right, now you'll notice I poured this very badly. We've got a good amount of head here, but it does seem to be recovering quite quickly. So more like a soft drink and less like a ginger beer is how I'd be describing this right now. Okay, now that's not enough. Absolutely more like a soft drink, less like a ginger beer. Like if I'd done that with a beer, shit would be going everywhere. This would not be good. All right. Oh no. Hold on. Let me just wipe that up with my bathrobe here. Very good. That's why I wear bathrobes. Clean stuff up. Who drinks, whatever. Okay, so we're looking at here, we got our Ginger Joe. Now this really reminds me of, if any of you have done like homebrew ginger beers before, this is exactly the same taste. It's not very good. It doesn't taste very gingery compared to, like a proper, what I call like a proper Bundaberg ginger beer or something like that. Do those guys make alcoholic ginger beer? If they do, fuck, I'd be all over that. Yeah, that'll be alright. Okay, so the second glass. Yeah, alright, nice. Oh, my bottle's empty. Now this, from what I normally review, this is a real disappointment here. I've barely gotten into the review and I'm out of Ginger Joe. This is bullshit. But, good news everybody, I've got a lead thanks to a commenter on where I can get some of the new Little Fat Lamb flavours. So I'll be going out to buy some of those tomorrow. And a review will follow shortly after, I guess. So there we go. So this is Ginger Joe. I got 3 glasses out of this. I barely had a chance to drink anything. It's not very good. Like it's almost like a ginger ale. Like if you got a ginger ale in the supermarket aisle and dumped some cheap vodka into it, that's kind of what I'm dealing with here. So I'd say less a ginger beer, more a ginger ale. Does it actually say ginger beer anywhere? Brew. No, it doesn't actually say ginger beer. It just says Ginger Joe. So that makes sense to me. And it is Stones. They make very, very cheap ginger-based alcoholic beverages. Certainly when I was, an undergrad at university, we would drink a lot of Stones because you're getting that bottle must have been like 1.5 liters for $12 or something. And you just kind of get it into you however you could. And it would certainly do the job. Now, this isn't enough to really do the job, but to evil, Dostoevsky Zdоровья, suck my dick. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bar. See you, cunts.